once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Miriam, and if you are not new here, welcome back my loves. So guys, we are still in the spirit of Christmas and I want to try out one Ghanaian food. I'm actually on my way to the joint. It's called fufu joint. Yes, fufu joint. I'm trying out the fufu and white soup. Let's see how it goes. So guys, we are here at the fufu joint. This is the fufu and this is how it's being processed, but they refused me of recording it. So this is the little clip I stole from it.
You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same track.
My food is here. Guys, look at the food I ordered. Fufu and sorry, it's not white soup, it's light soup. We are supposed to take some shots before eating it. I don't know, they said it's to enhance your appetite or what, but bruh, it did absolutely nothing. Guys, for the start, I was confused on how to eat the food, so I had to pinch the fish first. For the food, do I like it? I don't really know. I went there very hungry, so I was just interested in filling my tummy. I don't like it. But I ate it. But just know that I don't like the food. So this is me enjoying the food. Let's just put enjoying for the meantime. This is me. Maybe if I try the food for the second time, it might go well. But now I don't like it. So this is me eating the food. Guys, the people that started the food has finished the food. I'm just here eating my bone, please. I don't even want to be disturbed. Let me eat the bone in peace, I beg you. So guys, this is the review. Will I say review or this is my first time trying Ghanaian food and this is how it went. I hope this video is actually fun to watch. Guys, I was laughing so hard here because someone offered to buy more fufu for me. You can imagine the food I don't like, you're offering to get more for me. I had to decline immediately. I beg, I don't want. Thank you. Guys, if you found this video interesting and you love this content, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel, refer my videos to your friends, share my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, this subscribe button is free. Just click there, it doesn't bite, just click it will subscribe. It's free of charge, it's free. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. See you in my next video. Guys, these are the two foodie hoodlums that came to eat with me. They devoured the whole food. You can see what is happening in our plate. See you in my next video. Bye.